If you ever need to clear cache and cookies for just one website in Firefox without wiping everything from your browser, this quick method will save you a lot of time. It's perfect when a site is loading incorrectly, not remembering your login, or showing outdated content, but you don't want to remove all your browsing data. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps, and by the end, you'll know how to clear site data for a single website safely and quickly. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the menu button, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu, where you can access browser settings and privacy options. From here, click Settings. This will take you to the Firefox settings page, where you can manage everything from search preferences to security controls. On the left side of the settings page, click Privacy and Security. This section is where Firefox keeps all the important options related to cookies, site permissions, tracking protection, and stored website data. Once you're inside Privacy and Security, scroll down until you find the Cookies and Site Data section. This is the area that controls what data websites store in your browser, including cache, cookies, and local storage. Now look for the option to clear data for specific sites. Click that option to open the list of websites that have stored data on your browser. A search bar will appear, and this is where the process becomes really easy. Type the name of the website you want to clear. You don't have to remember the exact full address in most cases, just type enough of the site name for Firefox to find it. Once the site appears in the results, click to select it. Make sure you've chosen the correct website, especially if there are similar entries or subdomains. After selecting it, click Remove Selected. This removes the cached data and cookies for that specific site only, while leaving everything else in your browser untouched. After that, click Save Changes to finish the process. Firefox may ask you to confirm the action, so just make sure you approve it if prompted. Once saved, the website's stored data has been cleared, and the next time you visit that site, it should reload fresh. That can help fix login issues, broken layouts, or pages that are stuck showing old information. And that's it. You've now cleared cache and cookies for one website on Firefox without affecting the rest of your browser data. It's a simple but powerful trick to keep in mind whenever a single website is acting up. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step browser tips, and I'll see you in the next video.